G'day, welcome to another all Japanese adventure. We've just arrived off a 10-hour flight from Australia. We've landed here in Chiba, checking out the FMX setup here. Looks really good. And then we've got to go make sure there's a dirt bike in there. We can put all the parts on the dirt bike, roll into a practice tomorrow, and then contest on Sunday. So it's going to go by like that. There's a lot of work to do. Let's get into it. Rightio, this is a Chariot. It's one of Tucker's bikes over here, brand new YZ250. Looks like it's in good shape, very good shape. He's got all his little trick bits and pieces on here. We're gonna pull most of this stuff off, throw my parts on. Let's get into it. Righto, we've got the bike all built. We are suiting up for practice now. We've got a bit of weather coming through tomorrow, so gonna get out there and do a few jumps because only sort of today's Friday, then we've got tomorrow and then event Sunday. So let's just run the bike in a bit. Head's not quite all there today after trying to sleep on a plane all night, but go make sure she runs. Just got done with practice, felt pretty good. I was definitely tired out there. I think I did a total of about 10 jumps. Got a front flip out, which was good. Ran fronted good. It was a little weird to hit it, like boost your back wheel up a little bit, so I was cautious that it was gonna spin really, really fast and I was gonna go long, but all worked out good. I know what I got to change for the comp. Time to go get some sleep. It's been a long time between shut-eye. I love the foam under here, it's sick. Oh, yeah. Like a little bit squishy. Yeah. Feels good to land on.
Because Japan is rain country. Rainy?
Yeah. What's that?
Rain.
Oh yeah, raining. Righto, back for day two. We had a practice from 11 to 11:25 today, so just a short one, but sprinkling rain here now and the run-up, so everything's gonna get pretty slick. So I think we're gonna cover the landing up, call it for the day and go check some events out. Righto, this is the athlete lounge between the riding and the bike building, so everyone comes to hang out. Try and get some food in. It's hard to get food when you're at events to get good clean food. So X Games really look after us, put a good venue on here. Got a masseuse in there, and then do some stretching on the ground and tell some tall yarns in the middle. So we're the Monster Crew at the 10, doing a signing, meeting some of the locals. It's really cool to see all the how interested the people are in what we do. It's pretty makes a trip like this all worthwhile, you know. Rightio, that's day two, all done. Didn't even get a ride in today, so lucky we got the bike built earlier yesterday and got a quick one in. Signing off today, going to go back, get some rest in before the big day tomorrow.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Morning.
Morning.
Rightio, Sunday, comp day, we are ready to go. We've got a practice this morning, an early one before the gates open. So get in, fill the ramp out again, make sure the Chariot's running strong, and then get the head in the game for tonight. Rightio, practice all done this morning. Felt not too bad out there. Wasn't rotating quite as quick as I'd like to. Need to get milk a little bit more to get a good no-hander in there. So going to throw a heavy-duty front tube in. That helps the gyro of the front wheel locking up go a bit quicker, and then just make sure that brake's clean. Like the brakes have a lot to do with the fronties. So get into it. Rightio, it's nearly go time. Time to start gearing up for Best Trick. The time's finally here. And made a few changes, put a heavy duty front tube in. So we've got a couple jumps before the contest starts. So fingers crossed that'll give me a little bit more rotation. I was kind of struggling to get this thing to spin. So if that works, I'll be able to get a decent no-hander out. Otherwise it's going to be on the fence, but I'll send one anyway and see what happens. Rightio, contest about to start and it's just started showering rain, so hopefully it clears up. Just sucks when everything's a little bit wet. It's either got to rain or stop raining. Fingers crossed it makes the decision. Hopefully we can get this done. Let's go.
Best Trick X Games gold medal. You're in good company, man. You're now in a three-way tie for most X Games gold medals in the single Moto X Best Trick with Ronnie, Renner, and Pastrana, man. What do you got to say about that?
That's it, it's only like nothing in between it. Everyone did amazing, so I was glad that I could get there because I've been practicing, try and get it out. So, yeah, thanks to everyone, thanks to Ken for having it, and make the time out of Ken. Didn't feel very good the whole time in any of the practice. I couldn't rotate quick enough, and then getting that tube in just gave me the snap, and I was able to get decent weight. Not the biggest one I've ever done, but it was felt good. Definitely makes it a lot more technical looking back. You're looking away from your bars, from everything. But, yeah. Back on the board, it's good to after a couple of crashes to get back and get one in the books. Would have been nice to get a new trick. Something a little bit more again, but we'll have to wait till Summer X, then we'll unveil it.